tell her that. Me now walk out with a friend from none of you. I me never tell Skilli. God don't play about me. God don't play about me. A real life we deal with. We never have no internet relationship. Yeah, we never have that. Oh my word!
Welcome to the social media countdown, burritos. Yeah. All right. Box cover, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. We have some things to go into. It's not as drama filled, but we have enough drama to keep you entertained in today's show. So sit back, relax, and let's get into it.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Spice's new hair color. Alright, burritos, no, so you know, so the dancehall queen, you know, she always keep things fresh, keep things spicy. And so she dropped a brand new hair color, and it'll look very, you know, like gingery. People are call her all kind of names. She brought it up on social media. Some say a ginger spice, some say a pumpkin spice. But, you know, it is still undecided right now. I think she actually work with both of the names. But one thing, you know, Spice is a beautiful black woman.
So my hair is a little bit messy today because I've been walking, doing a little bit of 2026 shopping, and the hair is kind of blowing all over the place. But I wanted to just ask you something real quick, besties. I didn't know that you guys was going to like this ginger hair on me so much. And so I was thinking to give this persona a name and just give her own little personality. Most of you know I used to live in England, in North London. So obviously, whenever you see the ginger hair, I am going to use my British accent. So, you know, we keep that persona to itself separately from Spice. One of the problems I'm having is finding a name for this ginger hair persona. And so I was thinking, because I used to live in North London, one of the first things that I got introduced to when I was in England was the Piccadilly line, because I used to take the train station. So do you think I should call this ginger hair persona Piccadilly? Also, when I'm in England, because she has the British accent, I always get a cup of tea and some crumpets. So I love crumpets. Maybe I could call her Crumpets.
This, the hair color, yeah. It set her in a one different gear. Worse like how she like a slim down now. She just give you one different bombshell type of beauty, and it goes well against her dark melanin. So boy, your boy Spice, yeah man. This was a win. This it. Burritos, let me know, are you here for pumpkin spice? Sound off below. Number 9, Rasta meds. Alright, burritos, now let me go tell you now. You see one thing with a Rasta man I always gonna give you an answer where 9 out of 10 times you will not expect. Take a listen at this interaction.
Do you think Jamaican artists have the best sound in the world?
Do you know that iPhone, iPod, and when next one name again? All of them come from Jamaica culture, you know, Rastafari, you know, I and I, you know. A Rasta first say I before iPhone. Jeez. See? So all of them digital new 2000 year things will come and use I in front of it. Them who are Rastafari. Follow my Instagram, Rastakura1, and go on Amazon and purchase my newest product, the man, the seeds, and the land.
Yo, the man say, the Rasta bring the I in the iPhone. Like, honestly, yeah, I forgot to give him an applause. Come on, man. What more is there to say? Burritos, do you agree with him? Number 8, Kiprich X peaks out. Alright, so you know, so on the last social media countdown, I spoke about Kiprich and his new baby mother by the name of Kizzy, and them relationship, the gender reveal and all of these things. But him ex, you know, she caught wind of everything we are going now, and it looked like some people are running her inbox, and so she decided to go and clear the air and speak about her relationship with her ex, Kiprich. Take a listen.
If the other baby mother them or the other ex-woman them come out for talk, baby girl would be on her way running. If everybody decide to come together and talk, sister girl would be running instead of posting. My dear, mash up nobody good relationship, yo, my dear. A real life we deal with. We never have no internet relationship. Yeah, we never have that. We never have that. So when you mean all of a sudden you appear, you're late. You live on that rock.
And so Burritos, let me know, you think she should have all right for speak her mind and address the haters, or do you think she should have just sit this one out and protect our peace? Sound off below. Number 7, Rebel collects. All right, now, you know, Jamaican dancer Rebel, you know, she was at Dolly Sundays this weekend when she shared a story that went very well for her.
Nice people came to Dolly Sunday last night and decided to throw up money, and I grab. Mr. I don't know all my eye quick, so what? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48. 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 61,000. Free. When we open the moon, we should come back next week. When I jump out that party, I'm a thanks, girl. Oh, the money gonna show up me set up stiff like what, sir? After Gary Matalada, my uncle, the girl light bill due January 14, 31,900. So you see this now? This now. I go pay my water, my lights, and my internet. So you understand me? So you see the money I take out of my money this week, I put it back. Cause some.
You know, honestly, me don't wrong her. I do not wrong her because, you know, I was at a place one time, you know, I'm not going to call the club, but, and I remember somebody just said that throw up money. And, you know, when I look at me, I say, whoa, $1,000 reach my foot. And because I never want to be like the only man that decided to take up money off of the ground, I kind of look a little way, but it literally fly and come right on my foot. And I was this close to taking it up, but the little, you know, the little shame on me and say, boy, this not really look good enough because only woman when they say that I bend down and I pick up money. So I say, you know what, that's fine, but Rebel, yeah man, you did what is right because see there, now you're not going to worry about how your light bill is going to get paid. Burritos, let me know. You drop to the ground and scrape up a little something there too. Sound of below. Number 6, plug 2 cents. Okay, Burritos. All right, now, so you know, so the plug, he's all about cars. He's you know, he's a new entrepreneur selling cars. He was once working at a very major car dealership company, but now he is, you know, riding solo, doing his own thing, and it seems as if he's getting a different perspective. Take a listen to this conversation.
Loan officers, step to the front of the line right now. You know, one of the things I hate, honestly, and persons that are in the automotive space, right? Especially the used automotive space. Whenever we send a customer to the bank, whenever we have a customer and they go to the bank for a loan, bankers, why you keep on pushing our customers to who you want to put them on to? Like the customer already have a car, already have an invoice, already know the dealer that they're going to buy the car from, right? Why are you trying to sell them on somebody else's car? Or maybe a car from Toyota? Or maybe a dealer bought car? Like, you don't think us as used car dealers, we don't need to make no money, right? We don't need to close our sales, right? We go out there, we find the customers, we give the customers everything that they're looking for, to have the customers them at the last minute loan approved, but go buy the car from somebody else because the bank or the banker recommend them buying the vehicle from this person or this company. The friend and company business in the banking system just kind of, like, don't get me wrong, I know a lot of bankers, and most bankers and I are friends through, you know, my previous job, right? So I know how the thing go. You get me? I say, but the man them in the used car space it's affecting us. You get me? I say we cannot be going out there honestly finding our own customers, doing what we need to do to sell this customer a vehicle, and now the customer just needs to get a loan approved, and the bankers are turning away the customer from the initial source.
It's affecting business, but hey, it is the name of the game, and so I just one of them things the way you have to just cut and go through and press along like you are saints. Number 5, monetary pin. Burritos, I don't even know when to start with this story, but this woman, Yeah, man, she have some trauma from when she used to go to primary school, and it is still very much present. Take a listen.
Big up my teacher, Mr. Ferb, we give me monetary pin. What me they deserve it, but out of love and respect, that man put monetary pin on blood me, you know. As I done said, girl in a classroom, they say 1 grade me a bright piece, a girl 2 grade me drop back, 3 grade me blood zone out, 4 grade me fully blood dance, 5 grade, me 6th grade teacher, me no like you. Me coulda rise from the muck, but me no like you. The woman when they teach me in a 6th grade, me no like her bone when make up your blood. I me never hate people, so about girl, you want boy women there with me no like. People, me no hate people, you know, where say phone no waste, can never left out of my blood from mine. Dirty teacher when they teach me in a 6th grade. Nasty woman, me could be a better little civilian little girl. Me coulda come with the education, but God know where I do. Cause sometimes I'm bright and know when I write blood clip. But I class and place and I polish off and up. But sometimes like I don't know, I skip by blood it. But nevertheless, teacher, me not like you. Every day woman send me around at the back of the blood class. Every day the dirty teacher run me out. Me can't forget. It's like he just gonna show up on me. Teacher, move your blood, me not like you. My 6th grade teacher, me not like you. Woman, me not like you. That day you come over here and tell Willie my name. You should be a blood. They identify me, say I was one of your students. Dirty idiot teacher, you should be ashamed. And come with ashamed to say you blood teach me. And the reason why I'm not ashamed, because you make me vocabulary lock down, because you start run me out to your class. Me don't like your teacher. Me I tell you honestly true. Me Crystal don't like you.
But tell people, you know, me I tell you, you see, teachers play a very important role, because exactly how you treat these kids is how they will remember you years from now. Boy, lady, I hope you get some healing, man, and get for resolve from that ordeal. Boy. Number 4, oh my word! Burritos. So there's a new trend on TikTok, new TikTok user. She has her name, oh my word. And I don't really understand it, but people just use it. I know she has a song with Kaka, High Flames.
New dance pandemic. Oh my word! This a dance here keep, this a one here unique. Everybody fear do it. Take it dance song. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. This a dance here keep, this a one here unique. Everybody fear do it. Take it dance song. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word. Spliffly. Big up you. Big up you, Spliffly. Spliffly. You see I do the oh my word. You make this possible, Spliffly. You make this possible. So big up you. Big up you, Spliffly. Oh my word.
Like, all I know is that when you say it, you just feel good. I just something about it just feel good. It's like how me have Max cover. She have oh my word. Oh my word. Like, it just feel nice. It's like you just want to see somebody and you just kind of, you know, give them a little thump, a little, You get me, like you're in a public and you want to fight, but you can't make people realize, say, some deal are going, so you just see the person and you just say, yo, what going, everything good? Oh my word. Number 3, Spice goes gospel. Alright, burritos know, so dancehall artist Spice has a brand new song, a brand new single called God Don't Play About Me. And yes, it is a gospel song.
Don't play about me. God don't play about me. It's my winning season. God don't play about me. God don't play about me. You better believe.
But you know, the song God Don't Play About Me, it feels like a very Tyler Perry type of production, like I want to play them like a song where you could hear.
Mama Jella, you ready for go church? Yes, Grace, I am ready to go to church.
And you know, I mean, I don't know if I love the song, but I definitely like the lyrics and I like the messaging of the song. And I like that Spice is once again reminding people that she's not to be put into a box, that she can try and test out different things. Most of us, you know, as Spice fans, you know, you like when she talk about tear out the meat under the sheet. But Berry does let me know, are you here for God Don't Play About Me by Spice? Sound off in the comments. Number 2, celebrity pranks. Alright, burritos know, so there is, you know, social media user by the name of Official Hamster that has a series where him go around and basically prank celebrities, just kind of catch them, ask them questions. So now, I thought he was Jamaican, but I looked on his social media and it seems that he is Grenadian. Hopefully, I'm getting the correct country, because suppose I'm going to get the flag wrong. Hopefully, I am right that it looked like so. Once the Jamaican artist them reach over and cross him path, him have an interaction with them. So some time ago, he caught up with Aline and pretended to be taking a picture of her.
It's a video.
Yeah. No,
It's a video.
No, picture.
Because the numbers are going. It's a video.
What's going on here? Look at the picture.
Look, picture. Look, video.
And then he had another moment running into Mr. Vegas.
Hey, Mr. Vegas, can I have a picture too?
Got him. We fuck.
Where's that picture at, bro?
And now there's a new video with him approaching Massacre asking to do a stream together.
Yo, Massacre. How many likes we need for the
Back. No likes.
No likes. It's right. Yeah.
And so Berry does, yeah man, like, yeah, I like this type of pranks. Let me know which one of these videos you appreciated the most.
Now here is this week's random video of the week.
And number one goes to Skillibeng, Coco, the mother, the whole drama, OnlyFans, everything. My word, oh my word, Jesus, Pim, my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to the drama that is going on between Kyla, OnlyFans user, and Skillibeng.
Your son come look me never look your clothes, son.
But if you're living under a rock and you don't know, there is an OnlyFans content creator by the name of Kyla or Kylia. She's known to be controversial, detailing her sexual escapades. She's been very open online, talking that sharing that she suffers from depression and she goes through it from time to time. And so in the past, she would have spoken about Popcorn, should have spoken about Jacure, and now at present time, she is detailing intimate moments and encounters with Skillibeng.
Number, so he could video call me. He video called me and realized that it was your son. In the night, I believe on that same day, he sent me $100 for a video call, which was my charging price at the time for video calls. I charge like $300 to $600 these days for video calls. Your son sent me $100 for a video call where
and boy, oh boy, I don't even know where to start. Like, it's one of them things there where when you hear it, you almost feel uncomfortable hearing such details.
Him tell me say, if a teacher how to do it, and if I was in Jamaica, if I could go to his house and teach her how to. Oh.
And so, she's spoken about linking up with Skillibeng at the home when his child was there playing with the child, and you can only imagine how Skillibeng's baby mother feel. I hear all of this now. She's showing receipts online. It's just, it's one of those things where you understand her mental health, but then you're seeing all of this portrayed and you're like...
Something I want to highlight. If I didn't know Sam son did that here, I would have just tell him, say, probably come to my place or something like that. Because, yeah, I know probably people going to make me look bad in this situation, but I did not know that his son was there. He was just sitting on the sofa, and he just wanted to start for we just start for do it. And I when we start him tell me the baby.
And so in the midst of all of this drama, Skillibeng has remained pretty much silent. We haven't heard anything from his camp, but his mother, she's been active on social media, going at it with Kylia, and they even went on a TikTok live together where the two of them had a tracing match.
I'll talk to you. Me came on your page and said something to you. Me come on your page and say something to you directly.
Now what yourself, a fox to deal with it.
You!
Yeah, you're suck.
Listen, that's your job. That's your job. Don't mix up my nice clean out with your job. Dirty girl. That's your job. Dirt box. That's your job.
You don't have to walk off from me. And you see,
who's fucking around you?
You
who's fucking around you? What is she talking about? You said that woman has some problem.
We're not supposed to in that type of group chat here, like keep we out of it. But, you know, Kylie, you know, she is hurting. And so I hope that she can get the help that she needs. And hopefully the other artists them in Jamaica, the upcoming ones, them, this can be a teachable lesson that at the end of the day, there are so many people out there, so many women out there that can give you exactly what you want, but you might want to, you know, engage with people that you won't have to worry that, you know, interactions, it's going to be content for social media.
Tell her that. Me now walk out with a friend from none of you. I never tell Skilli, worrying mama for come on my platform. I in my DM from December the 10th. Me never beg her and a friend come in and know from nowhere. Me no walk and beg people friend.
But Berry does let me know what are your 2 cents on this matter. Sound off below. Well, that's it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 Social Media Countdown. Make sure to say you like, you share, you comment, and you subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms at TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, X, Snapchat, all over. And to advertise and to book your boy, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow at gmail.com. Okay, take care. Until next time. Ta-ta.
The dirty, the berry, the juicy, the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama where you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.